Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to review the Jjrc X8 drone. This is a beginner drone. In the box you get the drone, 2 batteries, the phone holder, a battery charger, you also get 3 sets of props and the remote control box, owner's manual, and a prop wrench and a little screwdriver. And next we'll see if we can fly this thing. Okay, this is how you set up your drone to fly. Turn on your remote control, unlock button, get a beep, insert the battery into the drone. Your remote makes a noise. Your drone starts beeping at you, and it's connected. Then you have to calibrate your compass. The way you do that, you pick it up and you turn it around 3 times. Hopefully it's blinking light green. After that, you hold it down, turn it 3 times. You should have red in the front, green in the back. It's ready to rock and roll. And you hit the unlock button and you're ready to go. To lock it, hold down the red button and you turn it off. Alright guys, I got about 45 minutes worth of flight time on this drone, and it worked out pretty good. The GPS system seemed to work pretty good. It landed about a meter from where it took off at. The 1 key returned worked. The auto return home worked. Basically that means if your remote control batteries go low, the drone will come home. Also, if the batteries in the drone go low, it will return home also. The altitude hold, it worked pretty good. The follow me, I used it a little and it worked okay. Point of interest and the track flight, I didn't get around to using that yet. Overall, I am a beginner drone flyer, also a beginner YouTuber, and it worked pretty good. I'll put up some video of the camera on the drone that sent it to my phone at the end. You guys, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. This is my first attempt at a video, so don't be too hard on me. Y'all have a good day.